Did you? Oh yeah, you did it, Eddie. That's a bass. Get it. Go, hold on. Walk down here. Walk down here. Walk down here. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
It's faced the wrong way. It's facing the door.
It's not.
Yeah, it was. No, like it was showing the door. You need to flip it.
Back to the channel. We're out here with the kids today. We're gonna do some fishing. So stay tuned. Follow along with us. Hope you guys enjoy the content we've been coming out. I didn't do a video this past Wednesday because I want to stick to the 1 day or 1 week, one video a week timeline, just because it's easier for us with kids being back in school and all the BS crap that's going on. But if you didn't know, Ducks just dropped their new early season lineup. Go check it out. I'll put that down in the description. If you like any of the stuff we're wearing right now, you can get $5 off your first 25 order at googensquad.com. Make sure you guys check that out, and let's go, guys. All right, folks, we're here at the first spot.
Little fish, those black little tiny fish that we see at the other river. See? Those little black fish right there. They're kind of small, but they're like swimming right there.
Shit. This might be bluegill.
Really?
Yeah. I have. Your brother and I bought.
Right there. I don't know where you went.
Your brother and I bought mealworms, but they're up in the truck.
Do you want me to go get them?
Yeah. They're in the cooler. Do you want the keys?
What's the water literally like?
Oh, I had a fish.
Really?
Yeah.
Right over
On the other side of that rock.
Can I use this one? This rock? Oh yeah. You know, you can actually catch frogs. You got it again?
Yeah.
Why does he keep letting go?
I don't see any. I don't. Oh, whoa.
You want to hook me?
Yeah.
Do you know what fish it was?
Got one.
You got it?
Yeah.
Is it a trout?
No, it's a smallmouth bass.
Dad, you said there was no bass. No big bass.
There's no bass for
Frog catcher. I want to hold that fishy right there. He's so big.
Oh yeah.
Ow.
Look at that, guys.
Catch of the day.
Oh yeah.
That one's a
All right. Come on.
Which one can I use? That's like feller. Can I use this big one?
He's been caught before. Man,
Can I hold
I
that?
absolutely love these
Can I
fish,
catch
guys. Wow.
Oh, he's smooth. I want to hold him.
You want to hold him?
You know how to
You
hold
got him?
him?
Got him tight?
I want to hold
Okay.
him, but
I'm gonna take a picture.
hold
Hold it up. All right,
I
buddy.
want to hold it, but
Throw it back in, but don't hit that rock. Well, the next one I'll let you throw it. Throw it in.
Not near the.
There you go.
Which one can I use, Dad?
I really like how smooth this. Oh, got one. Yeah.
Right there?
Addie, there you go. See?
Yep. Get back in there.
I don't even know what kind of fish it is.
Trout.
No, I don't know what kind of.
Same fish that I just caught. Just like.
I don't know what kind of fish that is. Here, take my phone out, Addie. Oh, set your rod down. I want you to take a picture of me when I get it up so I can see what kind of fish this is.
Tell me when to go.
It's slimy. I think it's a sucker.
What is that?
Come on.
What's a sucker? Looks like a tuna fish.
Yeah, this is a sucker.
Wait, what is this?
It's like a catfish for the river.
hold it, but I don't want to.
I don't think so.
Can you see? Can I hold it?
Watch
No,
it.
I want to hold it. And you can hold it. No, I'm scared. I've never held oh, you gotta hold it by the bit. Yeah.
Here, Addie,
Yeah,
take
no.
a picture. Take a picture.
I need to turn it on. How do you open up the camera? In a minute, I got it.
I don't know what kind of fish this is. Ready?
No, wait.
I don't know. I don't know what kind of fish that is.
Ew, there's a scale on your hand.
Yeah, it was just like right here.
I got it.
Did you? Oh yeah, you did it, Addie. That's a bass. Get it. Hold on. Walk down here. Walk down here. Walk down here. Down here. Okay.
Second fish.
Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up.
Oh my god.
Good catch, Addie. Good
I
catch.
caught one bass in it, whatever that is. Stop moving, you stupid bass.
Here. Come.
I don't want to.
Set it down.
I don't want to hold it. No.
What do you mean you don't want to
No,
hold
there's
it?
no way I'm holding that. No! Get that away from me.
Ass,
No.
it's your first fish.
I do not.
That is your first bass. You have to hold that.
But I don't know how to hold fish.
You hold it. See how I'm holding it right here with your thumb? Here. Yeah.
I've never held a fish before.
Yes, you have.
And then you held a real life fish, like in a live picture.
I need to get a picture of
Wait,
this.
can Wesley hold the mouth and then I hold like that?
No, I want you to hold it.
But I don't know how to hold a fish.
Look, come here. Hold this. Don't drop it.
Dad,
See how I'm holding it right here? But you gotta hurry up because I need to put it back in the water.
how do I?
See how? Yep, just like that. Grab it.
I can't.
I'm gonna slide my hand over. Here. Hold it. You're gonna have to hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hold it with two hands.
Smile for the camera.
Take it. Take it. Take it again. Good job, Addie.
Now
Throw it back in.
water. Bye-bye, fishy.
Good fish. High five. Yeah.
It actually wasn't that bad.
Well, if you guys didn't see it, Addison just caught her first smallmouth bass in the river. That was cool.
I think that's my first time bass. And it actually held it this time.
Let
It
it.
actually wasn't that bad. I think every fish on the
That was a good catch, Addie.
rock. Look, you see it? You see it move? Nobody will want to see it if you look like right in that little dip hole where it's like black.
There's the hummingbird again. Oh,
Did you catch one?
oh. Oh, I almost caught you though.
Oh my god. And you almost caught a bird, Dad.
Did I?
Yes, it was so close. Were you stuck on a rock?
Yeah.
I thought he caught one and he almost hooked me in the head. What a great father.
Whoa, what are you trying to say?
Almost hooked me in
Addie,
the
you
head.
just got it right behind that rock over there. That's a good throw.
This?
Yeah, you got it behind that circle rock.
Oh.
Don't jerk it. What do you mean you're not? You just were, you monkey. How you guys doing? Good. Looks pretty cool, huh? Here we caught one smallmouth over here, but we haven't got anything else since. What's that? We're just using little like worm bait, little plastic worms. How do you think you can get over here? You probably have some luck casting into this. You're gonna yank it.
Oh, okay.
That's how you set the hook. What did you do with those rattling Neds, Addie? Oh, they're right there.
A fish just jumped over there. That's my rod. No, it wasn't. It wasn't over there. Over there. No.
Good throw, Eddie. This is deep. Oh, got one. Yep. I don't know. It's a big fish, though. Oh no, that's not a big fish. No, it's a smallmouth, but it looks ragged. That didn't take very long, y'all. First cast. Look at it though. It's got some damage. I'll throw it back. That's fish number one. New spot. All I did was just throw it in right here. Throw it in right at the edge. Yeah, right past the rocks. That concludes today's video. As you can see, I mean, we went down there, fished, and we ended up with 3 smallmouth bass, I think 3 or 4, and then 2 weird sucker fish. We appreciate you guys liking and subscribing. So if you haven't done that already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the what?
Post notifications.
So you guys get notified when we upload videos. The fishing videos are going to start coming to a halt here pretty quick because we're getting into duck season. So you guys will get to experience the new hunters we got here. But yeah, so we appreciate you guys, the views, the likes. So make sure, like I said, if you guys haven't done so already, like the video, subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and until next time, guys,
See ya.
See ya.